Hey friends, if the Bluetooth toggle switch for on or off is missing in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Bluetooth and devices tab and here's the toggle switch. It should be present. If it's not present, then we will perform an SFC scan, about which I'll tell you later. But if it is present and grayed out or not available, then try to update and reinstall the Bluetooth drivers. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter. Select Update Drivers. Select Search automatically for drivers. Now, if this helps, well and good. If not, then right click and uninstall the device. Uninstall it. Click on Action. Scan for hardware changes. The next solution is to enable the Bluetooth from the device manager. So open the device manager once again, expand the list of Bluetooth, right click on it, and there's an option to disable device, means it's already enabled. But if it was disabled, it would have read enable device. Okay, let me show you, it would be better. Okay, it's disabled. So right click on it and select enable device. If it is disabled from the device manager, then it will be grayed out in the settings. The last solution is to enable the Bluetooth support service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Now scroll down to the Bluetooth support service, right click on it and select restart, and then click on this one, restart. So this is what will help. Now one may say that what if the option is not present there? I have never seen that happening, but if it happens, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.